guys, it's Oin here from the Tech Info House, back with another video. So today guys, we are gonna unbox a portable Bluetooth speaker from boAt, and the model number is Stone 200. Now I bought this from Amazon India for around 999 rupees, and the Best Buy link will be provided in the description down below. Anyways, talking about the overall box quality, it is sturdy, nothing special, just a simple cardboard box. And on the back there are mentioned some of the specifications. So as you can see guys, it's a Bluetooth speaker, to be more precise Bluetooth 4.1, shockproof, water resistance. Now this is IPX5 certified, so what it means that it is like it can withstand accidental splashes, or you know, sometimes you dropped it, it can withstand that, but don't expect it you surviving if you just like dip it inside of a pool or something like that. I don't know why would you choose to do that, but yeah, anyways. And it is a 5-watt speaker similar to the JBL Go, which I unboxed like a month back. Anyways, other than that, what is special is that up to 10 hours of battery life. Now this is absolutely insane. We gotta check this statement because this means a lot, and it has a 1500 milliamp hour battery. Other than that, nothing special. And here the price quoted is 2990, but as I said guys, you can get it for just 999, and Best Buy links will be provided in the description down below. Anyways, let's now open the cardboard box. Okay, it slides like this. Okay, it's just, anyways, so there's one seal. Let's just cut this, and we are presented with a leaflet, most probably instruction manual. Yep, instructions are in instructions. Okay, that might be helpful for some. Other than that, we get the box itself, which we are gonna keep aside for the time being and check what else do we get. Okay, it's Hardik Pandya for some reason, and it states it has a 1-year warranty. Okay, well and good. And it has an aux cable, which is once again a good thing, and a USB charging cable. So that's all we get inside the box. Let's now keep all these things aside and concentrate on the box. So here's the box, and it comes in this weird plastic for some reason. Anyways, so this is, I believe, the front of the box. Okay, that's a good thing. The front as well as the back mesh is both made of metal, and both has this beautiful boAt logo. And overall the box feels really sturdy guys, like it feels that it is rugged, and as it claims it's a shockproof box, it I think will hold up to that. But do remember guys, the sides of the box is made of plastic. There is a like a rubberized texture or rubberized coat over the plastic, but over the top it is rubber because they are buttons, it cannot be plastic. And on the bottom it is quite a thick rubber pad, which is a good thing. And you also have this a place where you can mount things, or like you can attach to a tripod. So over the bottom, as I said, it is a rubberized pad type material, and it's a good thing, you know, because it will provide you the grip, it won't fall, and especially in glass surfaces it will like not fall. It is a good thing, I like it. Anyways, other than that, these are plastics as I said. Anyways, let's now give you a physical overview. Over the top you get your volume button. Sorry, this is the plus volume, this is minus, mine's like you know already. Anyways, this is the power button, and this is the pause and play button, and you can receive calls. Yes guys, it has a microphone, so that's a good thing, I really appreciate it. Anyways, over the right you get absolutely nothing. On the left you have got this aux in and USB chargers. So let me just open this seal so that you can see. So as you can see guys, you have the aux port in and the USB micro USB for charging, and that's a good thing that they have provided a cover, because as I said, it is water resistant, so the water won't enter. And on the bottom I already showed you, and this is one strap with which it comes. On the previous model it was removable guys, but it seems that they have attached it, so if in case you don't want this strap for some reason, you cannot attach it. let's now check the audio quality which people care about. Before that, let's just check the current price of the box so that I can give you a rough idea. So at present guys, as you can see, the price is 1049, so still a very budget friendly speaker. Anyways, let's now get back and try to connect it. So to connect it, what you gotta do is just press and hold the power button. So as you can see, we just press and hold the power button. So as you can see, a blue light blinks. Let's now try to connect with our Bluetooth. So here's boAt Stone 200. Let me just increase my brightness. Okay, I'm doing what I don't know. So as you can see guys, it's connected to my boAt Stone, so you got the sound. Anyways, let's now check the audio quality. Oh my goodness.
Yes, I did.
Man, that is absolutely insane. That is too loud. And it is literally vibrating in my hand.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh,
that is insane.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them.
Okay, that's not it. Now this is louder.
I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fools gold. Yes, I did.
Okay, I mean, I am spellbound. Like, wow, that is absolutely insane. You won't believe how loud it is until and unless you yourself experience it. Like, I am like fumbling, like mumbling, whatever you want to say. Like, wow, that is absolutely insane. And this, I believe, is a bass centric model, because guys, it was vibrating a lot. Like, my hands were literally shaking. It is like really good. And the audio signature, as I said, it concentrates more on the lows, mids, but not the highs. But yeah, that's how it is, and we have to review it for a longer period. And they claiming 10 hours battery life, and the loudness of the speaker is so much. So we definitely gonna check it guys, how the audio quality is. As I said, in the full review I'm gonna tell you, and I'm also gonna compare it with the JBL Go Bluetooth speaker. Now my initial impressions are really positive about this speaker. As you saw guys, the audio quality is absolutely insane. Let's once again try it and show you.
I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for.
Anyways guys, this is how it is. Overall I feel this is doing a great job guys, and the audio output is absolutely insane. It is like too loud, and for sure I can say that it is louder than the JBL Go. But though both of them are having the 3-watt speaker, but I believe that this is doing a much greater job. Like, it is much more louder, and the audio signature of both of the speakers are different guys. It concentrates more on the, as I said, lower basses and all, but whereas the JBL Go concentrates on the clarity. So this is your personal preference, guys. I'm gonna once again, as I said, compare both of them. So that's all for this video, guys. Sorry for like, I am just out of my mind. Like, I did not expect this to sound so good, like so loud, to be more precise. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. It's Owen from the Tech Info, signing off. Hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day, guys.